Morning, Trek team. I know you were expecting to be at the library today, and we're still at my house. I'm getting ready, but let me show you just one more important thing about slope. So I guess it's a three-parter. Here we go. When you find slope, let me erase this, you're really finding the change in y over the change in x. What happened to your y? How did it change from one point to the next? And your y, how did it change? Remember, your y is the rise, so that's going to be an up or a down direction. Your x is a run, so that's going to be a right or a left direction, and we'll get into that a little bit more. But instead of writing all this, you know mathematicians are very, very lazy. They have a shortcut, and they write things like this. They write delta y over delta x. This little triangle is the fourth letter in the Greek alphabet. It means change. It's called delta, but it means change. So how would I find the slope if I'm just given 2 points? For example, if I were given 1, 1 and 4, 3, and I said to you, find the slope, it's very easy. First thing you need to do, first thing I always do, is put a line so I don't forget these are the x's, these are the y's. I know, but sometimes you forget. X's always come first. So then we have our delta y over delta x, which means take your y and subtract them. I'm going to take the big one on the bottom first. 3 minus 1, the change in the y. Well, how did it change? By subtracting it. Over the change in the x. If I took this 3, I got to take his partner first too. So I've got to take the 4 minus 1. So now I just do that simple math. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. That would be my slope. Let's see if it really works. I have with me a graph with those 2 points on it. Remember how we found slope? Remember we made that little triangle, that stair underneath? Let's see how it works. So if I had to go rise, I'd have to rise 2 and run over 3. I have another point here. Let's see if it ends up on the line. Rise 2, 1, 2, run over 3. 1, 2, 3. So my slope is 2 over 3. Very easy. Delta y over delta x. The change in y over the change in x. You're just subtracting, and you'll find the slope. Okay, now I'll see you at the library. Bye-bye.